Ooh, wait a minute. What's this trash can doing here? That should delete the current note. Remove it from the array. Clear out the form. Not even worth doing in class because you know all about how to do that. See if you can do it. It'll also be part of your homework. Go to README, day 7. Make the delete button work. Some of you will have it done in 5 minutes. 10 minutes. Some of you won't, and that's okay too. If it takes you a little longer, we just connected a whole lot of different ideas today. So it's okay if this is still slightly mind-blowing. Read the documentation, fiddle around, break it down into very small chunks, make the delete button work. Can you make the delete button do anything? Can you at least make it console log? Start there. Can you write a function that removes something from the array? Even if it's the wrong thing, maybe every time you hit the button, it does an array pop. Whatever. Start wherever you can. You can figure it out. I know you can. But it kind of stinks that it goes away every time we refresh the page. So let's work on persistence. Let's make it persist our data across page refreshes. In other words, have our data stick around. So one relatively easy way to do that without having any kind of backend, persist the list of notes across page refreshes using local storage. Local what? I don't know. And Google's broken, so can't find out. Either you already know what local storage is or you'll never know. No, do some investigation. Figure it out. Figure out local storage. It's not so hard. It just stores data right in your browser. So it's just basically a key value store in the browser. So you can save your list of notes there, load it back out next time you refresh the page, put them back. Piece of cake, you can figure it out. Now, you may have to learn a little more about how React works, about things like lifecycle functions, because you're going to want something to happen every time right when the component loads. So you're going to have to figure out how to do that. But I know you can. But then if you borrow your neighbor's laptop, not going to be there anymore, is it? Because it was local on that browser. So if you're feeling really ambitious, and this is a lot, but I believe in you, this is not a back-end class. So we're not going to like write an API with Node or anything. That would be some serious bonus credit. But what if there were a back-end as a service? Firebase. Now Firebase has changed their marketing so that they say like helping mobile apps teams to see a comprehensive mobile development platform. It doesn't have to be mobile. It's a platform as a service. There's all kinds of great stuff in Firebase. Among other things, a real-time database. Which, yeah, I guess they call it Cloud Firestore now. They used to just call it real-time database. They keep, oh, there's a real-time database. It's still there. Cool. There's also authentication. There's all kinds of great stuff inside Firebase. So that's going to be the back end of NoteHerder. So if you're feeling super ambitious, go ahead and sign up for Firebase. Follow the instructions, see if you can hook it up to your app. And then there's a really cool package called Rebase. Got a nice friendly bear. React makes managing state easy to reason about, and Firebase makes persisting your data easy to implement. Rebase combines the two, makes it really easy to sync up your state with Firebase's database. So try adding Rebase to your project. Library, I should say package. Add the Rebase package to your project and sync your notes with Firebase. And then profit. It's a lot. It's complicated. But the documentation is really good. I know you can do it. At least try. Give it a shot. This is what we will do in class tomorrow. But on Friday, I will look at your commits and I will know what day you committed. So at least try. I know you can do it. And now you have time to get started. See if you can make that delete button work.